Hello everyone, my name is Joe. Glad to see you guys again. Today I would like to introduce our 7-inch LCD touch display. It's hard sell and very popular for smart industrial application. It's portrait type TEMP LCD. The resolution is 720 x 1280. The very angle is normally back. The interface is MIPI and gyro IC is LED9881C. 2 and GCDP structure. The operating temperature is -20 to 70 degrees. The brightness is 320 nits. And for other customization solutions, welcome to contact us. If you are interested in this product, please feel free to contact us. We look forward to hearing from you and thank you for your time to check this video. Thank you and see you next time.
Welcome to Leadtek Display. Today we are going to introduce the Leadtek 7-inch touch panel module with white LED backlight. This module features an transmissive display technology, which provides wide viewing angles and good color reproduction, ensures proper display and use in all types of light. The white LED backlight also ensures bright and clear visuals. The MIPI interface allows for efficient data transfer between the display and the driving circuit. Leadtek 7-inch touch panel module is excellent for being applied to various digital devices, including video or industrial systems, medical equipment, automotive applications, and so on. RGB full-color display. Best full-view angle presentation. Interface 4-line MIPI interface. Application Smart Industry.